Today we are removing the stereo from a 2003 Saturn L. This also fits the wagon as well, usually 2000 to 2004. There may be several different radios in this car. This is what's called a double DIN radio because of the physical size of it. You may have the single CD player, which will be a single DIN size with a pocket below, but this removal process will work for removing any of these stereos. This is also a VIN-lock stereo, which means we could take this stereo out of this car, put it on a shelf in the garage for a year, put it back in the car, and it will work. Purchasing any other factory stereo for this car, you will have to go to the dealership for them to program the computer in the vehicle to communicate with this stereo in order to have the radio work. Today we have this stereo in the shop because of the 6 CD changer is jammed. Usually you can fix this problem by disconnecting the battery for maybe 5 minutes and hooking it back up. This can sometimes reset any glitch or some misalignment problems with the changer and bring it back to working. If that doesn't work, then it's something we'd have to see here in shop for repair. Anyways, let's get started with the video. We're going to take our pry tool and pry the edge of the bottom of the trim panel away. We're going to work our way up the left side across the top and down the left side. This panel is held on by clips, and we're going to the clips release with pry pressure. Now we've removed the panel up past the gear shift. Going to give us access to the connectors, but we're not going to remove this in case we need to turn the ignition on. There are times that if the airbag light here comes on and so on, or the passenger airbag light, you may have a problem with having to have the dealership clear that code. We're going to remove one screw on the right side of the car stereo, one screw on the left side of the car stereo. I'm going to grab the sides of the stereo and pull it from the dash. This will give access to all the connectors here at the back. Looked like we were missing a ground clip that came off a little spade here on the side. We're going to start with the main connector, squeeze the connector, release the triggers and remove, and then the antenna, you just grasp the antenna and release. As for the main connector, the trigger is right here on the top, this blue connector on the top, and when you push it down, it lifts up and allows the lock to release, and you can wiggle the connector free. This is how you remove the stereo from a Saturn L200 or the wagon. Hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching.